You know, when people are looking for property out in the country, there are a few requirements that they must have. One of them is privacy. Another one is I want a pole barn. Another one is I want a house that I can just be able to like move myself into. Those are just some of like the main things. Also, location is key. I want to be in a good school district, all those things, right? Well, this house that I am listing checks all of those boxes for you. It has the ideal location. You can look behind me. There's absolutely nothing behind here, and it's on close to 60 acres. You guys, you're not gonna wanna miss this home tour. I'm gonna get started with this next episode of Lansing, Michigan Life right now. Hey folks, Troy Seifert here with the Capital Area Real Estate Specialist in the Greater Lansing, Michigan area. I'm a top producing agent in the Greater Lansing area, and I get phone calls all the time from people who are just like you watching this channel, people who are looking to buy or sell real estate in the Greater Lansing area. So if that's you and you're looking to move here in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months from now, feel free to reach out to me in the information below. All my contact information is there, phone number, email address, or you can even schedule a Zoom meeting with me. The link is right there to be able to put it on my calendar. Also, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, or ring the bell, ding, 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 for notifications so that you can be the first to be notified when a brand new episode of Lansing, Michigan Life goes live. All right, folks, so again, I'm here on close to 60 acres of land. This is rare. I have to tell you, in the last couple years, with the lack of inventory, people are looking for something with privacy. This has it. People are looking for a pole barn. Sometimes I have properties in the country that don't have a pole barn. This one has a pole barn. Some people are looking for areas that they can entertain guests. This has it with a nice little pond and a fire pit area. Some people are looking for areas to hunt. Well, there's 10 acres of wooded forest within here that could even attract deer, white-tailed buck. The owners here say that they see sandhill cranes, they see turkey. It's almost like your own little like zoo out here pretty much. But this is, and right behind me here, you can see the house. It has a 2-car garage, just the side of the house. I'm gonna give you a tour of the inside of the house shortly. And then right behind me here, you can see the pole barn. And again, just like with how I've zoomed out over here, you're gonna see just tons of land everywhere. In fact, some of it is agricultural. So the thing for you to be aware of with this property is that they do have a farm lease on it, and they get about $4,000 a year, which goes towards those fun yearly annual property taxes, which nobody likes at all. Honestly, I mean, it is a beautiful, beautiful lot priced at $875,000 for close to 60 acres, a pole barn, and then just under 2,000 square feet of living space on the main floor with about another 12 to 1,300 square feet partially finished in the basement. It's a great deal, folks. So I am going to now start stepping foot into the front of the house because I want to give you a tour of the inside. So I will meet you right there. So right now I'm directly in front of the house, and this is the front porch area. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see the beautiful views that you can see on the other side. And then when I am done showing you that, then I'm going to walk directly inside and you're going to hear my commentary as I walk inside the front door. So let me go ahead and switch this. All right, so you can see here, this would be your view off the front porch each and every day. And I mean, again, there's absolutely nothing out here. It's peaceful, it is quiet, and kind of want to show you over here the front porch. So this is the front porch where they do have a bench where you can sit. You can see the nice little stonework there in the front, and then there's a nice little another area right over here where they have a table. So let's just go directly in and let's see the important part, the house, right? So as you can see right here, as I walk in, you got a front coat closet, a nice little bench area as well. So coat closet right here. And this walks right into the living room. Now, the one thing I just want to feature here, look at these ceilings. I mean, they are vaulted cathedral ceilings. Just an amazing large area. This is where they have their TV and furniture. Now I'm going to go down the bedroom ring shortly, but Again, I want to kind of take you over to the kitchen area so you have an idea of the floor plan. So this is the dining area, the eat-in kitchen. It's got hardwood floors in here. And take a look at this amazing kitchen island. I mean, decent space, super close to like the counter space, so it's super functional for you whenever you're looking to prep. These stainless steel appliances are newer as well, the dishwasher and the fridge and the stove. See the cabinets as well here, plenty of storage for you. Let me show you another angle here. Before I get into that room that's right over there, I'm going to take you back to the laundry room. The washer and dryer do stay here. It is a newer washer and dryer. You see a sink that's over there as well, just great to have. And then this leads into the 2-car garage, which you saw on the outside, but we're not gonna, I mean, a garage is a garage, right? But they did just recently replace the garage doors as well, right? And this space here in Michigan, this is rare to have in a house. So you can see here, just look at this. This is like a cabin feel. They're using it as an office right now, but this could easily be a den. Look at the windows here. If you're not familiar with Northern Michigan, this is something that you would find in Northern Michigan. I want you to pay attention to that light fixture there too with the antlers. That is awesome. So just a very rustic feel. You feel like you're not a part of Central Michigan. You kind of feel like you're in your own vacation home. Right here, a little cabin. I think this is awesome. And you see like there's French doors here that you have that you could close it off if you wanted to make it an office, or if you wanted to make it another family room den area. Now you're seeing another view here of like just being able to sit at the dining room table, being able to look out your window. So now we're gonna go down into the bedroom wing. Again, this is just under 2,000 square feet, I believe 1,950 square feet, 3 bedrooms on this main floor. Now this door right here leads down to the basement area, so we're not gonna go down to the basement quite yet. You do have a closet here for storage. As you can see here, just with this door, you'll see a full bathroom that is shared with a sink, and a shower. Okay, this is bedroom number 1, which this is a decent size here. I mean, you got a queen size bed over here. It's a large room. Closet space over here. You can see that. Now let's take a look. These are just more storage over here. And then over here is what they have right now is a kid's room, but this is the second bedroom. But again, this is a very large space. They have a bunk bed in here, but this could easily fit a queen size bed. And we continue to walk. And now we got into the primary bedroom. They have a desk in here, they have a bureau, they have lots of space. There is a walk-in closet in here. So one walk-in closet. And then they redid this bathroom since they've lived here. You can see there's newer flooring here. There's a newer vanity, plenty of counter space with that. You have another closet in here. So another walk-in closet, which is awesome. Then you got a stand-up shower and a linen closet as well. Toilet area over here. But yeah, I mean, they did a great job just being able to update this bathroom. And then we're gonna go down to the basement because there's tons of possibilities down in the basement, as you'll be able to see. So the basement right off the bedroom wing, we're gonna walk right down the stairs here. Just a storage area over here. Tons of possibilities in this space. This is partially finished over here, but you can see like, this is a multi-purpose area. When you look over here, you'll see there's an egress window. So this could easily be another bedroom converted into that. But also like you have another possibility over here as well for another bedroom area that you could put in the corner. But just look at how large this space is when I turn this around. This could be a great table for poker night for you. But yeah, I mean, a ton of options that you could have where you could put flooring down in here, because it's just a cement floor down here right now. But this is very usable space, like it really is. So you go in here and now you have a half bath, so it's, hi there, perfect for entertaining. As you can see, you got your sink, your toilet right there. And let's take a look at the other side. This is a storage area. This isn't really that exciting, but you can see like there's a newer water heater over here. You got your well pressure tank, but just lots of storage over here. So even though you have a partially finished space, you have a lot of room for storage over here. Now this is heated by oil, but there is some radiant heating that also goes out to the pole barn as well. So there are different heating options here. I'm gonna turn this over just so I can say bye to you, but that concludes the rest of the tour there. Hey everybody, again, I thank you for just walking through this home, being able to take a look at this luxury estate with tons of space, tons of options for you at just under $900,000 at $875,000. If you are looking to move here to the area and you're looking for places that are just like this, or you want to be able to see this home immediately, feel free to reach out to me in the information below. My phone number's in there, email address is there, or you can schedule a Zoom call with me anytime. And then also, if you haven't already and you want to continue to see more home tours, please like this video. That's extremely important to me. Or please subscribe to my channel or ring the bell for notifications so you can be the first to be notified when a brand new episode of Lansing, Michigan goes live. Live is what I mean, not life, live. All right, folks, so again, thank you so much for taking a look at my latest listing. Contact me if you have any other questions, but until next time, make it a great day. Take care.